They correlate. You can do this search, response, stay, release anywhere on the horse. I'm just showing the points that I found that I've gotten results from. So you can search anywhere on the horse for a blink and then stay with it and see what happens.
Okay.
So.
And there's some pretty heavy-duty nerves running.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean it's amazing. I mean the nerve endings that come to the surface of the skin. I mean hundreds and hundreds and hundreds all over the horse's body. Acupuncture points. There are hundreds of them. So a lot of these things correlate. This point, you know, right in here, I was talking about. If you just gently stimulate that, the horse will start to lick and chew and relax often. So there are lots of points. These are just the ones I noticed. There are points along the withers here. They're in the first video. If you have trouble releasing the scapula, search along the withers along here for blinks and stay on those blinks and the horse will relax, and then when you go to release the scapula it'll be easier. So anywhere, you know, anywhere on the horse, the horse tells you there's something that you may be able to get. You just search, response, stay, release. It's like an experiment. So the ting points, you know. The ting points, they're all termination points of different meridians. When you get a response on a ting point, if you stay on it long enough, the horse will start to lick and chew and release, because you're affecting that meridian and the organs that correspond to that meridian. So, but the focus of this body work for me when I was doing it was on performance, improving performance. So anything that loosens the horse up and gets him moving better is what the focus of this is on. In the course of doing that, you're going to probably affect all kinds of things, organs, circulation. So, I think Linda asked me if I'd had any experience with breeding stallions, improving their ability to breed, and I haven't worked in that field, so I don't know, but I would guess that, yeah, anything you do that increases circulation in the body and it improves health and opens everything up is probably going to affect things like that. So, anyways.
There are no points that you've worked with or that you've documented in the hawk?
Yeah, hawks are, you know, there's not a lot we can do with hawks, but right here, the hamstrings come down, insert along here, and the gaskin, search along here for blinks. You'll get a lot of blinks. You'll get, anywhere you can get a blink, anywhere where you feel like there's a problem, your horse has a problem, just start experimenting. And on the outside of the stifles, anywhere.